Stop scrolling. Forget gold, forget diamonds. What if I told you that in a dusty, remote corner of the world, a discovery was made so rare, so important, that its scientific value is practically priceless? We're talking about a fossil that some experts have unofficially valued at over $1 billion. This isn't just an old bone. It's a missing chapter in your family history. It's the single rarest hominid discovery ever made. What is it? Why is it worth so much money? And how is it completely rewriting the story of human evolution? Stick around because we're about to dive into the ultimate treasure hunt, the hunt for what makes us human. Hey everyone, and welcome back. My name is host's name, and today, we're tracking a discovery that has the paleoarchaeology world completely stunned. The fossil itself, let's call it the billion-dollar hominid for now, is a specimen of an ancient human ancestor. But it's not a common find like Homo erectus or Australopithecus. It's a species so unique and so perfectly preserved. It's a literal goldmine of genetic and evolutionary data. In this video, we're going to break down 3 key things. First, the rarity factor. Why this specific fossil is scientifically a 1 in a billion find. Second, the money trail. How do you even put a price tag on something like this? The economics of the rarest artifacts. And finally, the big discovery. The actual evolutionary secrets this fossil has just revealed, and how it changes our school textbooks forever. Ready to dig in? Let's start with the big question. What makes this so rare? When paleontologists find a hominid, most of the time they're looking at a jaw fragment or maybe a tooth. That's because the process of becoming a fossil is incredibly rare to begin with. You need a perfect storm of conditions. Rapid burial, the right sediment, no scavengers, and millions of years without geological destruction. Now, imagine the rarest of the rare, a near-complete skeleton. That's where the billion-dollar hominid comes in. This level of preservation in a hominid over 2 million years old is almost unheard of. Unlike famous finds like Lucy, this new specimen is hypothesized to be an entirely new genus or a crucial evolutionary link that scientists have been searching for decades. A true missing link. What we have here is not just a skeleton, but a specimen preserved with an almost unbelievable level of detail, microscopic tissue structures, perhaps even ancient stomach contents. It allows scientists to do things like study the muscle attachment points to understand its gait, analyze the inner ear structure to see how it balanced, and even extract trace organic material for deeper analysis. That combination of completeness and scientific novelty? That's what shoots its rarity factor through the roof. Okay, but why the billion-dollar tag? Let's be clear. This fossil isn't going up for auction at Sotheby's. Its value is scientific and cultural, not commercial, but the dollar figure helps us understand its impact. The estimate comes from a few places. First, think about the scientific investment. The cost to excavate, stabilize, transport, and then endlessly study a fossil of this magnitude requires years of funding, a massive team of global specialists, and millions of dollars in advanced scanning and lab time. The data it provides could justify hundreds of millions in research grants over the next century. Second is rarity and uniqueness. The moment this discovery was announced, the entire field of human evolution shifted. If a fossil rewrites history, you can't put a price on that knowledge. When we say $1 billion, we're talking about its estimated total contribution to human knowledge, its impact on the museum and tourism sectors, and the immense prestige it brings to the discovering nation and institution. It's a national treasure that fundamentally changes our global understanding. In short, you can buy a diamond, but you can't buy the secret to humanity's past. And this fossil is handing us the secret on a silver platter. So, what did this billion-dollar hominid actually tell us? This is the jaw-dropping part. The initial analysis revealed that this species challenges 2 long-held assumptions about early human ancestors. First, shockwave, tree, not a line. For decades, we pictured human evolution as a simple line, moving from one species to the next. This new fossil proves that our family tree was more like a bush. This hominid coexisted with other early human ancestors, suggesting a much more diverse and competitive environment than we previously thought. Imagine a landscape where 4 or 5 different types of proto-humans were all trying to survive at the same time. Second, shockwave, unexpected traits. The fossil shows a completely unexpected mix of primitive and advanced features. For example, it might have had a small, ape-like brain but was already walking with a fully modern bipedal stride. Or perhaps it showed tool-making capabilities that predate the earliest evidence we had. This tells us that key human traits, like walking upright and a bigger brain, didn't evolve in a simple, linear package. Evolution was experimenting wildly. This single, perfectly preserved specimen is forcing scientists to throw out old theories and start from scratch. The future of research, it's not just a puzzle piece. It's the box art for a new puzzle we didn't even know existed. The story of human origins is far richer, far messier, and infinitely more fascinating than we ever imagined. It's truly mind-blowing to think that one chance discovery can completely redefine our understanding of 2 million years of history. The billion-dollar hominid reminds us that the biggest treasure is always the knowledge we gain about ourselves. Now, I want to hear from you. If you were a lead paleontologist on this dig, what would be the very first question you'd want answered about this fossil? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this journey into deep history as thrilling as I did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into science and discovery. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.